Are you using Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel? If yes, you want to see how you can speed up your spreadsheet creation using AI, here's how you do it. Now, I'm currently at my Google Sheet, okay? So, because this is my free account, and even in the free account in Google Sheet, you can use AI to help you generate a spreadsheet that you want. All right, so now when it comes into or you open your empty spreadsheet, you will have something like this, okay? And you will see right here, there are a table or sidebar showing that you can use AI to help you generate. You can see help me generate or create a table. If not, there's a lot of templates right over here. It's already created or pre-created for you. All you need is just go and scroll around and you can just actually see here. Let's say this is feedback collection and you can see how the spreadsheet looks like, right? Expenses, ad creation, and all types, right? Let's say, for example, we're going to look at like inventory management. You can have like inventory tracker, yeah, inventory vendor list, and so on, as well as like project management, okay, your cost summary, or project tasks, project resources, office hours tracking, and all this, right? Now, all you need is just click insert and then insert into your sheet, right? This table into your sheet, and then you can modify it. I'm going to show you how to use AI, right? So this is Gemini AI, and then you just need to create a prompt. Okay, let's say for example, you want to create an inventory control table that to control or to track your inventory location inside your warehouse. So let's try it out and give it a simple prompt like this. Create an inventory control sheet for warehouse, right? Let's see what kind of spreadsheet it comes out with. You see, automatically it comes out with something like this. You can actually see it right over here. Okay, let me make it wider. You can see it right over here. Yeah. So with item and quantity and whether discontinue or obsolete, right? So with even the warehouse location. So this is exactly what I want. So what you do is basically you just click here and insert into it. And that's it, right? Now, if you want to modify this further, then you can basically give it a prompt. Let's say I don't want the discontinued. I can just change it right over here rather than, give another command. I can put it obsolete, right? Simple as that, yeah? And if you want to add extra column, yeah, then you can put it right over here. Add extra column on the remarks end of the cable. So I can do it, it will add an extra column, remarks. See this? Okay, if this is okay, then just add it, right? Override the data, and there you go. Okay, and oh, so sorry. Then you will see that it will override, create a table on top of that table. Yeah. Now, if it's simple like this, something that you want to add a column, then might as well you manually do it. It's faster that way. You see. But I'm just showing you that you can use AI to help you do that, right? And other than this, you can see it can help you to create a formula, yeah. And I believe it can help you to create a chart as well. Okay. So create a simple pie chart based on the quantity in stock. Let's see how it goes. Okay, do you see that? All right. So it goes by categories, yeah, and based on the quantity in stock. So now you can insert here into the table C1, right? Of course, then you can drag it. If not, you can copy this and then paste it to your other sheet or the PowerPoint slides and so on. Now, I hope that this short video will trigger you to go and try to use the AI inside a spreadsheet to speed up your productivity. Now, if you like this type of video regarding on improving work productivity, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. Now, if you have any interest to know what other tools that will be able to help you improve your work productivity, leave a comment right below. I'll see you real soon in my next video.